Rosario Rolandi. I'm in the car business for 22 years, and I will talk to you about this special year, 2021. After COVID, well, no, after, we're still dealing with COVID. However, our car industry changed more than we were expecting. And how can you take advantage of all these changes in order to save time and money? I'm gonna talk about inflation, I'm gonna talk about new cars, and I want to talk about pre-owned cars. Please subscribe to my channel, Rosie the Car Lady, and hit the like. Thank you again. Well, I'm gonna talk first of all about inflation. For the last 20 years, our inflation situation in the United States was really stable, really blessed, and we never have to be worried about this as today in 2021. As you notice, all our prices are going higher and higher. For that reason, we have to take this in consideration. My recommendation, number one, is to refinance immediately or trade in any car with high interest rate. Number one, because there's still low interest rates available for people. And if you're paying your vehicle for over a year, you have to take advantage of these benefits. Why? Because it's the inflation is 6 to 7% a year, and they said it's gonna get worse. That's what they said. Nobody knows, but just in case. And you can refinance with your local credit union or your local bank, or trade in your vehicle with your local dealership, and you can get an interest rate for 2, 3, 4%. You are ahead of the game with inflation. Number two, new cars. As you heard on the news, we're having a lot of issues getting new cars, and all for the chips, the brain that goes in the new cars. Without these brains, we don't have new cars. Now, I used to work for the last 22 years with no less than 500 cars in any car dealership. Today's day, we're lucky we have 100 new cars, and that's with Toyota. I have friends with domestic vehicles. They don't even have that much. They have probably 5, 10 cars, and they have to order. That's the new game. We have to order vehicles. It's not like before you come and say, I want a RAV4, and I want the package XLE, and I want it in gray color with black interior. Today's day is, here are the colors, white and black. Which one you want? If you want it immediately. If you can wait, we can wait for the new vehicles to come and pre-sold it to you. It can take a week, it can take a month, it can take 2 months. All depends how specific you are with the car. Toyota, because they see business different, we have 6 months on reserve. However, the demand is way higher what we can produce. For that reason, we have to adjust to the new market. Here, the name of the game is adjust. Now, used cars. Used cars, we're paying all the money for your vehicle. And that's number 3. If you are upside down on your vehicle, trade your car. Sell your car. You will never get as much money as today because we don't have new cars. We need cars to sell. In the case, if your lease is up, if you have a total loss and you need a car immediately, and if we don't have the new car that you want, in that case, we're gonna sell you a pre-owned car. We need cars. When we are not selling new cars, we are not receiving trade-ins. And if we don't have a trade-in, we cannot sell cars, and it's really vicious. But that's why when you come to the dealership and you're upside down, you won't be as much upside down. It's your benefit to do it now. If you want to trade your vehicle that's paid off, you're gonna get a lot of money for your vehicle, special trucks, SUVs. Yeah, I mean, it's a great moment to do. For that reason, my recommendation will be to trade your vehicle as soon as possible on your local dealership and ask for all the money for your trade-in. Really important. If your payoff is $20,000, try to make the dealership pay your payoff. Of course, if you are $10,000 upside down, your vehicle is not $10,000, but probably we are paying 20% more than the real value of the vehicle is, and that's a lot better for you. 20% of 10,000 is 12,000. If you own 15, you're not 5,000, you're $3,000 upside down, you see? And then you can finance a new car or even pre-owned cars. Now we're trying to be more flexible, and banks are working with us to selling pre-owned cars instead to a new vehicle. And that's my recommendation. Try to buy a new car in order to get the lowest interest rate. Trade in your vehicle with high interest rate, or sell your vehicle if is the case. If you are trying to sell a vehicle, I hate to say this, but CarMax is paying all the money for your vehicle. Before to come to the dealership, go to CarMax first, see what they offer to you, come to the dealership and ask them for match it. Many cases, we do match it. If this information was good to you and I make any difference on your life, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.